Hey guys, it's Diane Mary and I want to talk to you about the Take Flight Skincare Discovery Kit from Wonder Beauty, and I am holding it not the right way. That's still not the right way. Alright, there we go. This is the Take Flight Skincare Discovery Kit from Wonder Beauty. If you've never watched my videos before, I filmed them one done through, that's it. So I'm a real person, I'm an awkward person, stuff like that does happen. Oh well. Anyway, so this is a great skincare kit. If you've been curious about Wonder Beauty skincare products and you want to give them a try, if you need a gift for any beauty lover in your life, everything in here works good on any type of skin, mature, acne prone, oily, normal combination, so you don't have to worry. Or if you're like me and you totally love the brand and you want more of the stuff, maybe you tried some stuff in here and you know you like it but not all, great way to do so. Comes in a box like so. Open it up and we have all the goodies inside. So let's just show you what's in it. So first we have one of my favorite ever skincare items on this entire planet. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They come, you get 2 packages of them, and those are them on the back, the gold masks there. If you follow my Instagram, please do. If you don't, you've seen me always in these on my Instagram stories. I am obsessed. They're the only thing that actually make a difference in the brightness of my super dark under eye circles, except concealer obviously, but like skincare wise, I mean, they're so good. I like to use them twice a week. They're really hydrating. There's gold, and the gold foil traps in all of the great skincare ingredients inside. And if you don't know about Wonder Beauty, they source different skincare ingredients from around the world and put them all together. They're cruelty free. They're such a great company. There's nothing bad inside. There's no parabens, there's no silicones, no mineral oil, no synthetic fragrances. Great brand. But what else do these have besides gold? I'm just reading them because I forget off the top of my head. But it has hyaluronic acid, which, you know, holds over 1,000 times its weight in moisture. So it's a really good ingredient to help plump up any fine lines or wrinkles you might have going on. There's aloe in here, lavender oil. It's cooling. You could leave them on. I mean, you can leave them on as long as you want. I do, by the way, if you open these carefully and you're careful with the juice inside, I could get up to 3 uses out of each pack. So it's worth noting because I'm a little frugal and I just love them. I use them twice a week. I use them the morning of my wedding, of course. Actually, the week of my wedding, I was using them like almost every night because I'm obsessed. But next we have what's been a true skincare savior for me lately, and this is the Extended Stay Hydrating Mask. And my skin is usually combination to oily to acne prone, and it's still acne prone, but for whatever reason with the season change it's been really dry and really tight, and this stuff has just been my saving grace. And this is the Extended Stay Hydrate Mask, and it doesn't say though, this is a 0.676 ounce fluid ounce size, and I'm trying to read, it's like font size 2 on the back of this, but yeah, it says this vitamin rich intensely hydrating mask contains a blend of antioxidants and fruit extracts to soothe and lock in moisture. Guys, it's so small, and the way that the package is, it was just very hard to see, but I managed. But I like to use this as an overnight mask, so a few times a week, 2 to 3 times a week, when I know my skin's just craving that moisture, I'll put it on, I'll put a nice layer on, and then it'll sink in really fast. I'll go to sleep, I'll wake up, and my skin looks like new skin. It looks younger, it feels softer. The little like flakes I was getting around my nose and like over here, they're gone, and I can't recommend this enough. I mean, I could believe how good it works because it's Wonder, but if you have any issues with your skin feeling tight and begging you for hydration, you gotta try that. So that's in there. And then we have this mask, which I got this kit really because I haven't tried this mask yet and I really wanted to. So that was my reason for me buying this for myself. But this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And this is a really good peel off mask. This will help decongest your pores if you have like blackheads, if you break out, if your pores are congested like me. You know, I live right outside New York City. I'm in a polluted area. Let's see, what does this one say? This is a little easier to read, yeah. This Bright Berry Pearl Peel Off Mask contains a skin-loving blend of acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea extracts to heal, purify, and replenish dull skin. Niacinamide helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation for more vibrant-looking skin. And what's great about this too is if you've ever tried peel-off masks before, I've used some in the past, and they kind of like hurt getting peeled off. It was kind of like ripping off a band-aid, or like they wouldn't rip off easily. This like rips off 1, 2, 3. I definitely have to like do some type of picture or video know, something to show you. And it was like one of the most pleasurable peel-off masks I've ever used. So I am going to get the full size once I run out of this little size. And the Hydrate mask, I already do have the full size. Last but not least, we have the Glow Ahead Face Oil. And this is just such a cute little size to bring in your bag. Amazing. Has the same component as the original, where it's a little dropper, so it's not glass, it's not going to break. You could control how much comes out. This smells amazing. By the way, everything smells amazing and really fresh, but this has this rose scent to it that I just absolutely love. It's delicious. And this oil isn't like a greasy oil. Like you might say oil, like I'm not putting oil on my face, but I notice whenever I do put oil on my face, it actually helps I break out less. It absorbs. It's like one of the most lightest weight oils that I've ever used, which is really good for my face too. I like it on my cuticles. I like it if I have a little frizz popping up. This is day 3 hair, by the way, in case you're curious. And this part's still setting a little bit, but really an overall great multitasking oil. I'll use it day and night. I really like that this plays well under makeup too. I've been kind of mixing this with my sunscreen, letting it sink in a few minutes, and then I'll go right in with my primer and my makeup, and I don't, like, my makeup doesn't move around because of the oil, which is great because most of the time it would. But yeah, just another overall fantastic oil skincare product from Wander. So if you haven't tried this skincare yet, I'm telling you, this skincare is so good. I have all my fingers and toes crossed that the brand makes an eye cream based off of these bagged claim eye masks. I know it would be like the best eye cream ever, but just thought I'd show you guys because, you know, holidays are coming. You might need gifts. You might have money to buy stuff for yourself, which would be awesome if you get gifts. And great little skincare kit right here. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up and subscribe. That would be awesome. Comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.